Good afternoon, y'all. We are going to my friend's house because we're gonna drop off a present for his son's first birthday, which is my godson, and we got a little present going on, so it's a little drive-by birthday for him. Let's see if we can show you real quick what it is. We got him his own little R8, white R8 right there. But it also came with, we customized the license plate on it, so I'm gonna hand him the license plate first and tell him that that's what we got him, and then see the reaction, and then I'm gonna pull out the car. Or I'm gonna open the door and show him the car. All right, here we go. All right, so we just got to the birthday boy's house.
Say hi.
Sorry, your ninong's poor, but this is your gift. Let's see.
Let's open it.
Yeah, open it.
Wait, let me, I'm suspense now.
I know.
No.
Open it. It's
Godson.
See, it's a
Great. Oh, great.
So it's supposed to be a gray.
Great.
It's supposed to be gray.
Great.
It's a custom license plate, so when he goes
Godson.
old, because you know I like Audi, and you know the high class Audi is a R8.
Look at it, he doesn't seem thrilled.
Godson.
Because you're great.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you, Ninong. But what is he gonna put this on?
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's manifesting. You know.
So Ninong's gonna buy you an Audi.
Audi,
in the
okay.
future.
In the future.
You like it? Yeah, you like it?
Go hold it.
He's like, no.
He's like, what?
Put this on my bike.
Sorry, man. Oh.
Oh, Basura.
Grayson.
Oh.
Put it on.
Wow. Look at that. What is that?
Wow, Grayson. You spoiled boy.
So what's up? This is Sexy Time TV.
This is sexy time TV.
Push it.
Oh, yeah, this is his name.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Up.
See?
Oh, wow.
I don't know how you
Is it
call
on?
it.
Whoa.
So that's what I saw you guys are
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can push this.
I was like, he's up to something.
Sorry.
Grayson. Oh, he's holding on to it.
Say thank you, Ninong and Tita Brett.
Oh.
Oh, you know how to drive already? Oh,
Say thank you, Ninong.
Whoa! Ooh, styling.
Careful, babe. There's a.
I think Daddy's having more fun. Whoa!
Let me take a picture of it.
I think he likes it.
I know. You like it?
Say thank you, Ninong.
Yeah?
Grayson. Gray.
Oh, he's like, keep going.
Alright guys, so we're back home. That was pretty fun. It was just a short little birthday drive-by. Ate some tacos. Felt good to see my friends again, who I haven't seen in a long time. And it looked like Grayson liked his little car. He's gonna pick up all the ladies with that one. So yeah, that's the vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Also leave a comment. Do whatever you want to do, but whatever you do, do good. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.